In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple steps to start making money on YouTube from day 1. Now, in order to make money as soon as possible, you don't want to wait until you got 1,000 followers to start monetizing. And you don't want to create and sell your own digital product because it will take so much time and effort just to make it work and collect lots of good feedback from your customers. So what is the actual smart way in order to make money as fast as possible on YouTube? Now I'm going to cover this in a second, but let's go to the step number 1 first. So the most profitable niche are within these following 5 categories. You need to find a niche that is within these categories and the one that you're really interested in learning more about, or the one that you are already very good at. And if you still don't know how to make a decision, then you can just choose how to make money online as your niche. Because think about this, you are already watching this video, that means you are very interested in learning more about how to make money on YouTube. And this is already one of the most profitable niche, so you can just choose this and study it as you talk about this topic. Step number 2 is to choose a high payout product to promote. Now you may wonder what this actually means. A high payout product is a product that sells at above $500 with a 50% commission. So that way, when you sell this one product, you can make $250 from just one single sale. So what you are trying to do is essentially promote other people's product and help them selling their product and earn a commission from doing this. You can find a product on one of these websites like Digistore24, ClickBank, Impact, and Partner Stack. So you want to find a product that has a very high price and a very high commission. So that way you can make a lot of money from one single sale. So this way you don't need a high amount of followers, you don't need a high amount of traffic. You can make money from your very first video just by promoting it. So now let's come to the third step, which is to actually make a video and try to promote the high payout product. In this method, if you really want, you can only make one long form video, and after that you can simply use some AI tools to generate tons of YouTube shorts in order to lead the traffic back to your long form video. So you really want to make the long form video as good as possible, but you only need to do the effort once. So to make the long form video, the first thing you do is to do some research about what are the most popular video among your niche. And then you select the 3 most popular video and distill one of the best idea from each of them and combine them into your video. And for title and thumbnail, you really want to imitate their style and do not guess and come up with something by yourself. So the next thing that you need to do is to write a script for your video. The first half is the 3 ideas that you distill from other people's video, and the second half is the promotion of the high payout product. The first 30 seconds is the most important, and you really want to put a lot of effort into this. So you want to open with a hook that is about a promise of the video, and you can say something like, I'm going to introduce 3 secrets about how to make money on YouTube. You can also look at the first 30 seconds of the 3 videos that you have chosen and imitate their way of doing this. And after you introduce the first half of your video, you can start to promote your our product by just saying, do you want to do this by yourself, or do you want somebody who has tons of experience to guide you through this? And if you choose the second option, then I'm very glad to introduce you to this product. And then you just stack the value of this product by introducing what kind of feature that it include. After you finish writing the script, you can make a video based on using a slideshow created on Canva or Google Slide, or you can just use some stock footage found on Pexels or other free websites. After you created this long form video, then you can just use AI tools like InVideo AI to generate some YouTube short and lead the traffic back to your long form content by saying something like, if you like this video, then you might also like this one of my video at the end. So here's an example. If you really like this video, then I suppose you might also like this one of my video where I talk about how to come up with good videos ideas even if you don't have any skill or expertise. Alright, my name is Aiden. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, please subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.